Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make marshmallows without gelatin. First, understand that agar-agar is your key plant-based substitute, providing the necessary structure. You'll combine it with sugar, corn syrup, and water to create a sweet, stable base. This method ensures a delightful, fluffy treat that everyone can enjoy, regardless of dietary preferences. Get ready to transform simple ingredients into something truly special. To begin, gather all your ingredients and equipment. You will need agar-agar powder, granulated sugar, light corn syrup, and water. Ensure your stand mixer is ready with a whisk attachment. Line an 8x8-inch baking pan with parchment paper, leaving an overhang on the sides for easy removal. This preparation is crucial for a smooth and successful marshmallow making process. Next, combine your sugar, corn syrup, and water in a saucepan, bringing it to a boil until it reaches 240 degrees Fahrenheit. In a separate small bowl, dissolve the agar-agar powder in a bit of hot water. Once the syrup is ready, carefully pour it into your stand mixer bowl. Add the dissolved agar-agar and whip on high speed until the mixture becomes thick, white, and fluffy, forming soft peaks. Finally, pour the whipped marshmallow mixture into your prepared 8x8-inch pan, spreading it evenly. Allow it to set at room temperature for at least 4 hours, or until firm. Once set, dust the top with a mixture of powdered sugar and cornstarch, then invert it onto a cutting board. Cut into desired shapes and enjoy your homemade, gelatin-free marshmallows. Remember to check the description for the Owala water bottle link and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.